Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so 1980s. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, you're one of my doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? Looking so cute. So glad to have you back. Today, it is a 2-for-1. These are wigs that I had been wanting to review for so long. They're from my favorite company right now, Freetress equal, okay? And today I have VANA and Vivian. So I'm wearing VANA right now. And I have them both, no, VANA I have in the color 2. Okay, this is part of their 5-inch lace parting wigs. This is a lace parting wig. It's not a lace front. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Whole Freetress equal playlist, and there's a bunch of these lace parting wigs in there, so I'll link that down below. I also have a lace part playlist, so I'll also link that down below. But she comes in a bunch of colors, especially those FF face framing colors. I also have a video on face framing colors too. I got a lot of videos, just check them out. But okay, so I scooped up this wig from Wig Types for $15.88. This is not a yucky texture. It's definitely more of a multicultural option. It's going to give me more of a non-textured hair, more of a, if you have thinner hair, silkier hair naturally, it would mimic that. I love the bumping. It's so cute. I actually didn't think I would like this wig because I don't usually like a bob at all. But when I wear bobs, I think they're so cute. I love Freetress equal, so I actually probably will hang on to this one. But yeah, I'm excited to see what Vivian looks like. I'll be doing her next. I really enjoy this wig. It is a larger wig cap. I did have to tighten it quite a bit. All I really did was put some heat just because from being in the package it was humpy, but other than that, I put a little bit of heat just to meld it to my head, some powder in the part, and lickety split, it's done. Yeah.
Ah, look at her little bob.
And that's what I have. So very, very happy with her. I wish I would have got her sooner. It's always the way. But yeah, so this is VANA. Okay, so next up is Vivian, and I have Vivian in the color 4. She is just like VANA. She's just like VANA pretty much, except for VANA's a middle part and Vivian is not. You can see. They're both lace parting, both 5-inch deep lace. Like I said, I have Vivian in the color 4. I did use her baby hairs a little bit. I don't normally do that, but I think like with side swept bangs, it does help a little bit. I was thinking that they were not the same texture, and I would say overall they are. See the difference between, yeah, the 2 and the 4. This is definitely a dark brown, this number 4, and this is more of a soft black, I would say the number 2 is. I was thinking that they weren't the same texture. They are. This one just feels a little bit more textured and a little bit thicker just because I think it's heavier on the one side because of the side swipe. But I think that's really the difference, because now that I'm feeling them together, they're the same texture. I'd say again, this is a larger wig cap. I did have to use the baby hairs on this one. I didn't have to. I just wanted to, I guess. I didn't feel like I needed to on the other one. Not getting a ton of shedding. Wig cap is comfortable. I'd say the density is nice for both of them. Like I said, this one is going to be a little bit thicker on this side. I do think this is super cute. Definitely like a multicultural option. Oh, look at that. You can kind of like do one of these. I don't have the combs in or anything. Cap construction is standard. 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Snatched.
I think we all have to kind of think about the bigger picture. This is about.
Yeah, I think this one is so cute, and I think she's still versatile even though she is short. Like, I don't usually rock with short wigs, but I think they look so cute. It looks cute. I just don't usually reach for them. But yeah, that's what I have for you for VANA and Vivian. If you have either one of these wigs, let me know down below what your thoughts are. If there's another Freetress equal wig you want me to review, let me know down below, though I've reviewed so many. Okay, full playlist will be down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the like button. Hit the like button if you like this type of content, if you like these reviews. Leave me a comment down below if you like this sort of 2-for-1 situation, because I can do that a little bit more. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.